it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Woo! You see me smiling, you know why? War time. Today, guys, we're here with ALFA WRAIF. ALFA WRAIF with Westside. It's a Deva Bratt and it's a crucial conflict list. So it's a Deva Bratt and legal conflict list. Yes, death notice. Yes. So we see our season now, all the parties are shoot off of artists. We see legal shoot off of Cargo, Prime Minister, Savage, and who else? Somebody's nice song? Couple more artists, IRA, yes. So we see so this now is ALFA WRAIF a shoot off of Deva Bratt and legal conflict. So we could go see what go on if the conflict is conflicting up. Alright? So let's jump in that one and see what go on, man. Let's go, man. Yeah.
Dark badness, believe badness.
We got the production team.
Practice evil. See them a bad man and no shot, none yet. Now when you not rain, pussy still a get wet. My smaller come make we make a bad step. Last boy, this a sorry at 20 get we up. Don't spill a man a real top killer. Me bulldog no rum feed yam dinner broke it. 6 commandment 10 times sinner. Ratchet them a 2 them a bad man beginner we are. Don't spill a man a real top trip.
Hold on again, man.
Believe badness.
Hold on again, man.
Be about evil. Practice evil. See them a bad man and no shot, none yet. Now when you not rain, pussy still a get wet. My smaller come make we make a bad step. Last boy, this a sorry at 20 get we up. Don't spill a man a real top killer. Me bulldog no rum feed yam dinner broke it. 6 commandment 10 times sinner. Ratchet them a 2 them a bad man beginner we are. Blood spill a man a real top thriller.
Blood spiller.
Me bulldog no rum feed yam dinner broke it. 6 commandment 10 times sinner. Ratchet them a 2 them a bad man beginner. Yo Westside, I wear some pussy feel like we a bad man. Head buster in a real life. When the cannon them a bust no feel like a seaside. We a march on them ends in a broad daylight.
Yeah, man, say broad daylight in my march a forward on them ends. But we not hear the name yet. We are listening out for the name them for call.
Quote me rifle transgress, cause we are on the ground, this a ghetto congress. No squaddy couldn't pressure me if he ever confess. Cause we grew tough, Kevlar, bulletproof vest. Them boy they a pussy, them no bad for real. You two bad man, them no bad for real.
So you must say, yo, them boy they are pussy, them not bad for real. Them are YouTube bad man. Them are internet bad man. Twitter fingers, that is what you say, not me. But me still wait for the name.
Boy they a pussy, them no bad for real. You two bad man, them no bad for real. Rango walks foot him know what they do. Boy this Westside and them gonna go leave.
Man say run go ask Footer, him know the deal. Because myself Footer hype. Him say run go ask Footer, cause Footer know the deal.
Rango walks foot him know what they do. Boy this Westside and them gonna go leave. Don't spill a man a real top killer. Me bulldog no rum feed yam dinner broke it. 6 commandment 10 times sinner. Ratchet them a 2 them a bad man beginner we are. Blood spill a man a real top thriller. Me bulldog no rum feed yam dinner broke it. 6 commandment.
Still wait for the name of the ALFA.
Ratchet them a 2 them a bad man beginner. No time for flick but we no in a chit chat. Bullet make body dance like impose tick tock top strike and there you know we no miss shot. Glock load up the place like a World Cup match. 6'6" with a bow up on the top. I saw me left boy bunny gift wrap when he run up on a chat. Gunshot with the lifestyle for we touch them no cap. Them boy they a pussy them no bad for real. You two bad man them no bad for real. Run go ask foot him know what they do. Boy this Westside and them blood go leave. Blood spill a man a real top killer. Me bulldog no rum feed yam dinner broke it. 6 commandment 10 times sinner. Ratchet them a 2 them a bad man beginner we are. Blood spill a man a real top thriller. Me bulldog no rum feed yam dinner broke it. 6 commandment 10 times sinner. Ratchet them a 2 them a bad man beginner.
Alright. Listen to the end still. Alright, song done. ALFA WRAIF, hear me I say, my bro. Hear me I say. This need more. This need more. You want to tell you white I gonna need more. You don't call no name tonight, bro. You put Deva Bratt and legal conflict as death notice in the title, in a bracket, so people can see it. We expect some direct shots. We expect some name for call. We expect a conflict body for over this on him head for over this up. You see me? Yes, we are expect say Deva Bratt hand them chop off, foot chop off, everything. A them thing that we are expect, brother. We not get that. Me not get that. Me not get that. Walk one. You have to go forward harder if you want to G them for answer you, bro. You have to go make them want. You have to go. You have to go draw them in, bro. You have to do more to make them have to answer you. Yes, some things we have to talk. You have to talk to make them answer you. Because remember saying a dog. A music business, you know, bro. And the man them not go want answer if not aim at them, bro. Nothing. Only to me, only the title alone aim at him, bro. Yeah, the song one mix better than that too. The song one mix better. The rhythm a Junior voice, bro. Rhythm little bit too. Rhythm nice and everything, you know. But the rhythm little bit too higher than your voice. It needs to level down a little bit. So to tell you mix of the start that out. You see me? Yeah, bro. We want some direct shots, bro. We want some direct shots, bro. Please, some direct shots. You see me? Yeah, dog. We must see a Gaza badness in it, bro. So we want some direct shots. That is what this song is missing. Direct shots. Remember the shades. Right now, winter. We don't want no more shades. No, we want direct shots. Some hot sun. Some fire. Yeah, that me I talk about, bro. So, it is what it is at the moment. But I don't think the G them are going to answer this. Me not think them are going to answer it. Me personally don't think say legal are going to answer this. Because obviously say legal shoot off for IRA. So, unless you give him something for answer to it, he's not going to answer, bro. You see me? So, make it. Go again, bro. Go again. Back to the drawing board and go again, my fam. Please, go again, bro. Because the war feel nice, dog. We like when the war nice. You see me? But yeah, big up yourself, though, my G. And hopefully we can hear a next song from you when you go harder than this. At them. You know? Yes. Big up yourself. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.